guys, here's a question that we are supposed to do. With respect to subnetting, obviously it is very important from examination point of view as well as competitive point of view. The question is as follows: provide the details on the number of subnets and total hosts needed for the IP address 172.168.10.2 using a subnet of 5 mask. Okay, so basically what students do is they basically jump with 2 raised to power 5 minus 2, and those are the total number of hosts, which is quite wrong. Alright, so you are not supposed to, obviously the formula that is used for total number of hosts or total number of subnets would be 2 raised to power n and 2 raised to power n minus 2 in case of usable ones, right? So yeah, let me just write it down. Let me just write down everything, and then we'll be able to understand it with in a clear manner, right? So my IP address is nothing but 172.168.10.2, right? I can clearly observe from this class B. This is class B, right? Okay, in class B, first 16 bits are reserved for network and next 16 bits are reserved for host. Eventually, if we talk about class B, first 2 bits are like this 1 0, right? And then you have left 1 2 3 4 5 6 dot 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So these are the network bits, right? So these two are fixed. Now we are left with 14 network bits. So in network, IDs are actually 14. Okay, so total number of networks that can be designed, total number of networks that can be designed would be 2 raised to power 14. As simple as that. Okay, so I hope that is not a problem. We have already discussed this thing many times. Now let's continue with the question. So question is class B, right? Which means that if there are 4 octets in an IP address 1 2 3 and 4, if there are 4 octets, these first 2 in class B, okay, they are reserved for network part and these 2 are reserved for host part, right? When we talk about subnet mask, so first 16 bits would be like this 1 2 3 4 dot 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 dot 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 dot 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, right? So basically the default subnet mask has how many bits? 16 bits, as simple as that. Alright, now if we'll go through the question, it says on this IP address, that is 172.168.10.2, you are supposed to use a subnet of 5 mask. Okay, it means for subnetting additional 5 bits are used. Okay, so how we are going to identify those next 5 bits? We'll go through the MSB of the host IDs. Okay, so most probably we are going to choose these first 5, right? We are going to do that. So earlier in our default subnet mask, we had how many bits? 16 bits. Now they have told us to use 5 more bits for subnetting, right? So total subnet mask bits is equals to 16 plus 5, right? So 21 bits, correct? Now if 21 bits have been used, okay, just give me a second, I need to insert a break page. Yeah, alright, so total number of subnet bits are 21, right? Now if subnet bits are 21, now the number of bits for hosts is equals to 32 minus 21 will be equals to 11 bits. correct? As simple as that. Now if 11 bits are there for host, so total number of hosts will be 2 raised to power 11, and total number of usable hosts, we already know that formula is 2 raised to power n minus 2. It is like this. So it will be 2 raised to power 11 minus 2, which is nothing but 2 raised to power 11 is 2048. So it will be 2048 minus 2 gives me 2046, right? The total number of usable, I'll write over here, hosts, right? I hope you have understood it. Thank you so much.